From unexplained plagues to rare conditions, here are 5 strange medical oddities from history that defy explanation. And look for me, hidden within history. First off, let's look at Werewolf Syndrome of Petrus Gonzalez. In the 1500s, a young boy named Petrus Gonzalez was born with a condition known as Werewolf Syndrome, or hypertrichosis. Covered head to toe in thick hair, Petrus became a curiosity across Europe. His condition led him to live in royal courts, where he was paraded as a wild man. Despite this, he married, had children, and lived a dignified life, though his mysterious condition would continue to intrigue scientists for centuries. Now let's learn about the Glass Delusion. In the 15th to 17th centuries, a strange psychological condition swept through Europe, known as the Glass Delusion. Individuals believed they were made of glass and would shatter if touched. Famous sufferers included King Charles VI of France, who refused to be touched and wore protective clothing. Historians believe the delusion may have been fueled by high-stress lifestyles and a lack of understanding of mental health. It remains a medical mystery. Next, the bone-shaking tremors of St. Vitus's dance. In the Middle Ages, people across Europe were struck by uncontrollable body movements, known as St. Vitus dance. Named after St. Vitus, who was believed to protect against nervous disorders, sufferers would experience jerky movements and tremors, resembling a dance. Today, we know this condition as Sydenham's chorea, often caused by a rare complication of a bacterial infection, but back then, it mystified medieval physicians. Let's now look at the Elephant Man, Joseph Merrick. Joseph Merrick, known as the Elephant Man, lived in Victorian England and suffered from extreme physical deformities that baffled doctors. Born in 1862, Merrick's body was covered in massive growths and bony lumps, which gave him a unique appearance. While he endured great suffering, his story captivated Victorian society and raised awareness of rare disorders. Scientists suspect it may have been a combination of Proteus syndrome and neurofibromatosis, but they still debate his exact condition today. Finally, the phossy jaw epidemic of match factory workers. In the 1800s, match factory workers, known as match girls, were exposed to white phosphorus, leading to a horrible condition called phossy jaw. The fumes from phosphorus caused their jawbones to rot, with severe pain, swelling, and a greenish glow in their mouths at night. Eventually, phossy jaw led to severe health reforms in factory conditions, but the condition remains one of the most haunting stories of the Industrial Revolution. These bizarre tales remind us just how mysterious and complex the human body truly is, and how much of it remains unexplored. From misunderstood conditions to strange epidemics, these captivating stories remain hidden within history. Did you see me while discovering these fascinating stories? Let's find out together. I was hidden here and also here. I was here and here once again. Hidden within history. Did you like that one? Well, there's more where that came from, friend. Check out another story here and subscribe for more coming your way.